99% of people sound like a robot when talking about their favorite food.
Wait, what's wrong with saying I like pizza?
It's just boring. If you want to sound native, you need to use words that actually carry flavor.
Okay, I'm ready. How do I stop sounding like a textbook?
Today, we're mastering the art of food talk so you can impress anyone at the dinner table.
I definitely need this for my next date. Let's go.
Step 1. Stop using yummy or delicious every 5 seconds.
But if the food is good, what else can I say?
Try mouth-watering for food that looks or smells incredible.
Mouth-watering? Like my mouth is literally filling with water?
Exactly. It shows you're excited to eat it.
So I could say, the smell of that steak is mouth-watering?
Perfect. Also, use savory for salty, rich, and non-sweet foods.
That sounds way more professional than just salty.
Now, let's get into idioms. Instead of, I want pizza, say, I'm a sucker for pizza.
A sucker for? Isn't a sucker a candy?
No. It means you have a big weakness for it. You can't resist it.
Oh, I see. I'm a sucker for dark chocolate after dinner.
Great example. Now, what if the food is exactly what you needed in that moment?
I usually just say it's perfect.
Try, it hits the spot. It's a classic native expression.
It hits the spot. Does it mean it's physically hitting a target?
Sort of. It means it satisfies your hunger or craving perfectly.
Like a cold lemonade on a hot day hits the spot?
You're a natural. Now for the most valuable tip of all.
The secret sauce? Give it to me.
When the food is the best thing you've ever tasted, use to die for.
Wait, am I dying? That sounds extreme.
It just means it's incredibly delicious. This cheesecake is to die for.
Let's try all of these together in a real conversation.
Okay, let's pretend we're at a high-end Italian spot. I'll start. Wow, the aroma of this truffle pasta is absolutely mouth-watering.
I know. I've been craving this all week. I'm such a sucker for truffles.
Have a bite of this garlic bread. It's so savory and buttery.
This really hits the spot. I was starving.
How's your main course? Is it as good as it looks?
Honestly, the sauce is to die for. You have to try it.
I'll stick to my lasagna, but that looks fantastic.
Nothing beats a good meal with great vocabulary.
Exactly. Now it's your turn at home.
Pause the video and repeat this after me. This burger hits the spot.
Did you say it? Great. Now, comment below and tell us one food you are a sucker for.
I'm checking the comments, so make sure they are interesting.
Let's do a quick recap of what we learned today.
1. Use mouth-watering or savory instead of just good.
2. Use, I'm a sucker for, to talk about your favorite things.
3. Hits the spot means it's satisfying, and to die for means it's amazing.
You guys did awesome today. Don't forget to practice these at dinner tonight.
Subscribe for daily English tips. New video every day.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing.